In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer Amex points for travel. Many Amex cardholders find the membership rewards program to be a goldmine for maximizing travel benefits. If you're new to this or just need a little refresher, stick around as we break down the process step by step. First things first, you'll need to visit the American Express website. Simply head over to americanexpress.com, which is the starting point for accessing all the wonderful benefits they offer, including their rewards points. Once you're there, direct your attention towards the top menu and locate the Travel tab. Give it a click, and this will lead you further into exploring what options are available when it comes to travel-related rewards. Now that you're in the travel section, look for the option that says View Travel Programs and Benefits. Clicking on this will unveil a host of options detailing the various travel programs and associated benefits. This is a great place to familiarize yourself with everything you can leverage. Next, locate and click on the Travel Help Center. This area is your go-to spot for addressing any questions or concerns, and importantly, where you'll learn how to make the most of your points while booking travel. Once you're in the Help Center, another option will appear labeled How to Use Pay with Points with Amex Travel TM. Click this, and you're well on your way to using your points for an incredible journey. With the preliminaries out of the way, log into amextravel.com. This site is dedicated specifically to travel-related activities and is where you can view and redeem your membership rewards points. Begin by searching for your desired trip just as you normally would. Whether you're looking for flights, hotels, or rental cars, this is where your planning takes shape. Once you've found your desired travel options and are ready to check out, you'll be given a choice. You can decide to either use only points or use points plus card. Simply select the method that suits your preference and apply your accumulated points to reduce the cost of your booking. Finally, it's time to finalize your travel. Upon booking, your Amex card will be charged the full amount in dollars. However, don't worry about the points you've applied. Within 48 hours, a credit reflecting the value of the points you used will be applied to your account. This means you'll see a corresponding reduction in the amount you're billed, making the whole experience not just rewarding, but seamless. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully transferred Amex points to use for travel. Whether you're jetting off to a faraway paradise or planning a weekend city escape, your rewards are now creatively working to enhance your adventures. Enjoy!